एक चीज मैं हमेशा भरोसा करता हूँ कि अगर किसी को अपना जो सपना है, वो सपना अगर किसी को पाना है ना, तो उसे एक कांस्टेंट लेवल का हार्ड वर्क, परसिवरेंस और इम्पोर्टेंटली सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करके रखना चाहिए। And I had always like felt proud of all my students, especially for all those students who always used to maintain their own life in a proper self-disciplined manner itself. आज आप लोगों के सामने एक ऐसे मेरे एक्स स्टूडेंट को, मैं अभी और वो मेरी स्टूडेंट नहीं है, नाउ शी इज अ डॉक्टर, एक ऐसे एक्स स्टूडेंट को मैं आपके सामने में पेश करना चाहता हूँ जो खुद में एक स्कॉलर है। यार स्कॉलर मतलब सिर्फ एकेडमिकली स्कॉलर नहीं होता है। स्कॉलर मतलब हर एक पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी की ओर से, एकेडमिकली या तो कोई भी तरीके से जो चैंपियन बन जाए, या तो जो हार को डिफीट कर दे, जो हार को ये बोले कि भाई मैं तेरे को अभी हराने वाला हूँ, ऐसा जो है वो होता है ट्रू स्कॉलर। और एक ऐसे ही स्टूडेंट को आज आप लोगों के सामने मैं लेके आया। चलिए सुनते हैं उस लड़की की कहानी, सुनते हैं उस स्टूडेंट की जुबान से। जैसा मैं आप लोगों को बताया था, पहले से मैंने आप लोगों को बता के रख दिया था कि आज मेरे एक बहुत ही खास स्टूडेंट को आप लोगों के सामने मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ। ये जो लड़की है, ये मैं इसको लड़की ही बोलूंगा यार, मैं अभी और इसको कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, तो डॉक्टर बन चुकी है, बट ये मेरे लिए अभी भी वही लड़की ही है, एक छोटी सी लड़की। और मुझे अभी भी याद है जब हम इसके साथ में मैं डिस्कस करने बैठता था, ऑलवेज शी वाज इन अ बबलिंग मूड, एंड इसको हमेशा बायो से इसको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार था, बहुत ज्यादा। और ये हमेशा मुझे हमेशा सवाल पूछती रहती थी कि सर इस ये क्या हो रहा है, सर वो क्या हो रहा है, ये वो, मतलब हमेशा शी वाज ऑलवेज इन अ इंक्यूजिटिव माइंड ऑफ सेट ऑफ माइंड इटसेल्फ। एंड आज उसी इंक्यूजिटिव सेट ऑफ माइंड की वजह से इस बच्ची ने जो अचीवमेंट किया हुआ है, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा वो मेरे वर्ड्स में, वो आपको इसी स्टूडेंट ही बोलेंगी। ओके, सो उसने जो अचीवमेंट किया हुआ है, इट इज अनपैरेलल, इट इज अनकंपेरेबल, आई विल से दैट। और वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके अपने मेहनत, अपना इंटेलिजेंसी लेवल एंड स्मार्ट वर्क की वजह से हुआ है। लेट मी वेलकम डॉक्टर आकांक्षा नाग, मेरे लिए सिर्फ आकांक्षा, नो डॉक्टर, नो एनीथिंग एल्स, ओनली आकांक्षा, to my channel. In front of you itself, she is over here, and we are going to discuss lots of things about her life, about her struggle, about her challenges and everything. Hello Akanksha.
Hello, sir. How have you been?
Me I'm very fine beta, me very fine. How are you and how now you are feeling about your achievement? चलो achievement के बारे में जब हम लोग ने बात कर ही दिया है, तुम खुद सबको ये बताओ कि तुमने एक्चुअली क्या अचीव किया है।
I would first like to give warm greetings to everybody who is watching this video. I am Dr. Akanksha Prashant Nag, and I have completed my MBBS from Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, which is commonly known as Sion Hospital. I had secured a rank of 195 in my Maharashtra CET during my 12th standard, and my score was 188 out of 200, following which I'd taken admission in LTMMC. And throughout my 5 years of MBBS, I have topped all my MBBS years. And right now, I have secured a rank of 9 in the Institute of National Importance Combined Entrance Test, which is a common entrance examination for AIIMS, CGI, JIPR, and NIMHANS. And I aspire to pursue Masters in General Surgery.
Great. You mention it as All India rank 9. I think so. That will be most
Yes,
better
sir.
one, because that will only be boosting up all the audiences whoever listening here in that case. और वो तुम्हारा
Yes, sir.
अचीवमेंट है यार, वो तुम्हारा अचीवमेंट है, यू हैड अचीव दैट वन। आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू।
Yes, sir.
मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं प्राउड होता हूँ, चाहे वो अचीव करे या ना करे, चाहे वो मेडिकल फील्ड में जाए, चाहे वो कोई भी फील्ड में जाए। मैं वो तुमको मालूम ही है कि मैं हमेशा मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मैं हमेशा रहता हूँ, और
Yes, sir.
तुम एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल हो उसके लिए। सीरियसली तुम एक लाइव एग्जांपल हो। तो जैसे ही मैंने तुम्हारा रिजल्ट देखा, एट दैट टाइम ओनली आई थॉट दैट यू शुड बी कम ओवर हियर, एंड जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो भी व्यूअर्स हैं, यू शुड बी लाइक शेयरिंग योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आल्सो विद देम इटसेल्फ इन दैट केस एज सच। सो आकांक्षा, अभी क्या सोच है, कैसा लग रहा है, हाउ यू आर फीलिंग?
Sir, I feel really ecstatic because I have worked very hard during my 4.5 years of MBBS. I have studied consistently, and I feel that right now with an All India rank of 9, all my efforts have been really fruitful. So I feel really happy. And I think my hard work, I think it never goes in waste. If you are very much true to yourself, if you are going to put your heart into it, it will give you good results.
ये जो बात तुमने बोला ना यार, ये बात बहुत बड़ी बात है. If anybody is putting their core heart into that of any kind of effort, they are going to get the success in that case. और मैं ये हमेशा मेरे हर एक वीडियो में, मैं मेरे हर एक स्टूडेंट के साथ मैं हमेशा ये बोलते रहता हूँ. यार मुझे एक चीज तुमसे ये जानना है कि मैं तुमको पहले भी जैसा देखता था तुम्हारे यूजी प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे, और अभी भी मैं जो तुमको देख रहा हूँ तुम्हारे पीजी के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे, यू आर सेम. ये जो जोश है, ये जो जुनून है, यार मेंटेन कैसे करते हो तुम? हाउ यू आर मेंटेनिंग दैट थिंग?
Sir, I should thank my mother for that, because she has instilled one important quality in me, and that is discipline. Because motivation will last only for 3 to 4 days. I can watch any motivational video on YouTube and stay motivated for max to max 3 to 4 days, and after that it starts fading. But that is not what is, it is your discipline which is going to carry you way ahead in your life. Because when you're doing a curriculum like MBBS, which is very exhausting, it has 19 subjects, and all those 19 subjects are eventually asked in a single paper, and it is very difficult to consolidate all the information which you have read across 4.5 years. So you have to put in a lot of hard work, and you have to study almost daily. I would say during the preparation phase, I've studied daily. So even though on days where I was not motivated and my days used to go very hectic, especially because I was doing COVID duties. But still, because I had that discipline within me, I would ensure that I'm at least finishing my daily target. So in that way, I was able to finish my prerequisite topics on time, and I was able to finish my entire syllabus of 19 subjects in a short span of time, and I topped it out with multiple revisions.
ग्रेट 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 बेटा, ग्रेट. ये जो वर्ड्स तुमने बोला, डिसिप्लिन, हार्ड वर्क, मैं तो हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ कि हार्ड वर्क से, तुमको शायद याद होगा हम लोग भी डिस्कस करते थे, हार्ड वर्क से भी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है डिसिप्लिन. अगर कोई बंदा डिसिप्लिन में नहीं रहता है तो ऑब्वियसली सक्सेस विल नेवर कम देम, सक्सेस विल नेवर किस देयर फेस इन दैट केस, इजंट इट? मुझे एक चीज ये बताओ, जरा एक बार शेयर करते हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तुमको भी मालूम है कि 1 महीने के बाद, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 महीने के बाद, जो मेडिकल एंट्रेंस वाले जो एग्जाम जो बच्चे लोग देने वाले हैं, या जो बच्चे लोग लाइक मेडिकल एंट्रेंस नहीं भी देने वाले हैं, ओके, उनके सामने में भी 1-2 महीने के अंदर में उनका जो लाइफ है, करियर जो है, वो एकदम चेंज होने वाला है. तुमको ही मालूम है, बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू ईदर दे आर गोइंग टू चूज दैट ऑफ द मेडिकल फील्ड और जेई फील्ड और लाइक एनी काइंड ऑफ नॉन मेडिकल फील्ड इटसेल्फ. तो ये जो लास्ट 1 महीना है, 1-1.5 महीना है, ये स्टूडेंट लोग अपने आप को बूस्ट कैसे करें? हाउ दे शुड मोटिवेट themselves in these periods?
Sir, I think in the last 1 month, especially, one should be like, the strategy for last 1 month should be that you should be able to revise all the high yield facts in the last 1 month, and just brush up through your entire portion with in the last 1 month. And you have to stay away from negative things, stay away from negative people. And I think family support is very important, and so is your peer group. So with all these things, it's very easy to pull off the last month. In case still you feel demotivated, you can obviously watch motivational video, whatever motivates you. For me, I used to see the motivational videos of, previous years AIMS toppers, and because that is something which I've always wanted to reach over there. So that was something which used to motivate me. But most importantly is having a very good peer group, which I realized it very early during my preparation. So me and all my friends, all of them we are very supportive for each other, and we have just slogged out through our way and got, like, even my friends, they have gotten amazing results.
यार मुझे अभी भी याद है, मतलब अपना जो तुम जब यूजी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, तो तुम्हारा जो बैचमेट्स थे, एंड वो अभी भी टच में है, बट रियली इट वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग. It was outstanding. Even I would say that you were lucky enough to get those kind of, even I was also lucky enough to get you students like you people only, and you were lucky enough to get such kind of peer group. I think so. You will also agree with me, isn't it? अब तुमने जो यहाँ पर एक सेंटेंस बोला कि जो भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स है, नेगेटिव पीपल से, इसको अपने अंदर से दूर पे रखो, इस ये जो 1 महीने का टाइम है, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? हाउ द स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू डू दैट वन? हाउ यू यूज्ड टू डू दैट वन in that case, in any kind of exam during?
So with respect to negative people, I didn't talk to them much. And with respect to negative thoughts, you should always, like, it is very it happens very often that you will get more negative thoughts before the exam. You will always feel ki what if my selection does not happen? If you have
Correct.
given some mock test before the exam and you have made some mistakes, then you will start extrapolating it that ये mistake शायद exam में भी हो सकती है. So all these negative thoughts are very common to come, but you should just take not more than 5 to 10 minutes to fret over it, and you should move on. Like not 5 to 10 minutes is enough, and then move on over it and continue studying. So if you busy your mind with studying, these negative thoughts are not going to cross your mind.
Great.
And you should think that what if things go right? If you can also think in that way, that what if things go right? What if things will actually work out how you have planned? So these two things will help in abolishing the negative thoughts.
That's great one. That's great one. This is the main thing, that like in order to stay away from that of the negative thoughts, I hope so you'll be also agreeing with me. It is always better to stay in a positive environment in that case.
Yes,
और
sir.
फैमिली, टीचर एंड पीयर ग्रुप्स से ज्यादा पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट, जो कि बेस्ट पीयर ग्रुप्स हैं, उससे अच्छा और कोई मतलब आई डोंट थिंक सो कि और कोई हो ही सकता है पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट, इजंट इट? सबसे पहला तो ऑब्वियसली फैमिली, पेरेंट्स, उसके बाद में ऑब्वियसली जो टीचर हैं, एंड उसके बाद में ऑब्वियसली लाइक आई वुड से दैट द बेस्ट पीयर ग्रुप, जैसा तुमने बताया. सो अगर मैं टीचर्स के हिसाब से आता हूँ, तो like while you were preparing for that of your like PMT, for your CET, okay, at that time, how like your academic gurus, okay, like what kind of support that you had extracted from them, if you just can share.
So I think I have been taught botany by you, and there have been other teachers who taught me physics, chemistry, and zoology. So my thought process whenever I used to sit for any of the lectures is to understand the topic and not just rote learn for the sake of solving MCQ purposes. For example, if I was doing cell division, then I think meiosis is a little difficult topic. Even today we have it in our MBBS curriculum also, we have gametogenesis and fertilization.
Correct.
So my thought process would be that, I should able to understand the topic and not merely rote learn it, because if I've understood the concept, then no matter what language you frame the question in, no matter how you're going to twist it, if the concepts are rock solid, then you will not get that question wrong. So my aim in every lecture was to understand the topic, in a very comprehensive manner. That was what my aim used to be.
Great, great. And how many questions you used to like solve per day, approximately?
Sir, so during my UG preparation, we used to have various modules in the form of books. So I used to, whatever chapter I'm reading today, for example, in botany, if I'm reading Plant Kingdom, then I would finish all the MCQs of Plant Kingdom, focus especially on the previous year questions, the way they are asking, because during our time, there used to be multiple entrance exams. Every state used to conduct their own entrance exam, and AIMS used to have its own entrance exam. So I used to see what topics are they favoring, and what is the language of their question. So that with emphasis more on past year questions, that was how I used to solve. For during MBBS now, most of the learning has become on iPad. Most of the applications from which we study, everything has become online, and it's very convenient for us because we do a lot of most of our time is spent in hospitals. So it's very difficult and tiring to travel up the way to city and sit for a class for 12 hours. So if you have everything right in your mobile phone, it becomes very convenient. So even if I am in a busy environment, I can still take out, half an hour, 1 hour to solve a question module.
Great. So in order to brief whatever the points we had discussed, first thing you said about discipline. Second thing you had said about hard work. Third thing you had said about confidence. Fourth thing you had said about that of staying away from that of the negative thoughts. Fifth thing you had said about extracting or boosting the best thing from that of the academicians, whoever are guiding the students. And the last, the foremost important thing, rather than watching or rather than getting like I would say that embedded in that of social media platforms, it is always better to utilize the technological aspects in some knowledge gathering platform.
Yes, sir.
I think so. This is a very, very nice thing itself. So I won't take much time of yours. I know that we are a very busy person now. I know your exams are also very nearby, and you're a very busy person now in that case. So at the end, if just I'm asking you a few words from yourself for all those persons, whoever are seeing the video, whoever are preparing for their own career, whether it's a medical, non-medical, or any kind of field they're going by, if you can share the positive thoughts within them, it will be really helpful for them.
Sir, I would like to tell them that your everyday efforts are going to count, and it's like a marathon. It's not a sprint that today if you study for 12 hours, but then 2 to 3 days you didn't study at all. That mentality is not going to help. You have to put in daily effort, daily consistent efforts, which is called perseverance, and discipline is something which is going to take you, very much ahead in your life.
Thank you, thank you. This last statement now, it is completely in agreement with this one to me itself. I always used to say perseverance is the main thing, and unless until you are perseverant to that of your own, like passion and the love, if you're not going to get that success. And in front of you all, my audiences and whoever are seeing this video, live example is here only. And she got whatever she deserved because of this perseverance only, because of this positive thoughts itself only. She had always, like, she had also passed on all these phases, not only once but many times, I would say that. So like whatever the phases are there, you should be a rock solid one. You should be having all those positive thoughts in your mind, and we all know that you are going to rock in that any kind of exam, any kind of challenges, whatever you're going to get, isn't it, Akanksha?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Thank you, beta. Thank you very much for coming over here.
Sir. It was my pleasure to meet you, and I feel really good. I'm seeing you after such a long time, and it just reminds me of my days of 11th and 12th standard. Those were one of the best memories of my life which I spent.
Correct.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Even the same from my end also. We always used to chat either via WhatsApp or via call or via Facebook Messenger.
Yes, sir.
Because I think so we are meeting after around 6 years, 6 to 7 years minimum, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's great, beta. Great. Keep it up. Keep it up. All the good words. I am always with you in that case. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Thank you, beta. Same to you. Yeah.